Day, let's go in, Mama.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I'm a lady aged 28 years, firstborn child in a family of 4. I have a hot topic to share. Over a decade ago, my father stole money from my mother, who was the breadwinner in the family. Mama worked at a private school and had a good job compared to my father, vaingobata-bata. Isuo sevana taisaziwa kuti baba vanoite ichaizvo. The money he stole was enough to buy a ticket kuenda ku UK. Pasina nguva, we heard he started a new life with his new wife and has 2 kids. This broke my mother's heart. Vakapinda mu depression kusvika pakumiswa basa nekurwara. As the firstborn child, I stepped up and started working to take care of Mama with the help of her sister. She got better, but never recovered from this incident. Baba never bothered to send Mari or check on us. I had to go kunatete, his sister, asking for his contact details. She resisted pakutanga. 6 months went by kusvika ndazovaudza kuti if you carry on like this, you will never see me or my siblings again. So she opened up and told me everything I needed to know. For years, I had his contact and couldn't find the strength to call or message him. Mama vakazorwara serious in 2023. Ndizvo zvakandituma kuvatsvaga. I explained situation ya Mama, asking for assistance, and he agreed, but nothing came. Kana sent zvaro. So I left him and started accepting the reality that he was never going to change. Watsotso yangu ndeyekuti I got married last year December, and muchato was this year in April. I invited him for both, and he didn't show up. Zvese zvaida baba zvakaitwa nabamnini, his brother. I remember calling him Dichichema, asking why he couldn't come, and he said his wife hid his passport and bank cards. Hapana chavaikwanisa kuita. I felt like he was giving an excuse. Zvisine, last month the wife called me for the first time saying, "Tiri kuuya kuZim." She did not mention the reason why she was coming. Ndakazofonerwa nabamnini saying, "Svikai kuno." Ndipo pandakanoona baba variko, hanzi pari kuda mari tivarapise. Handina kukwanisa kuburitsa kana chii. Moyo wangu unondirambira after everything my mother went through. I also went through my fair share of heartbreak. So now Tete vakatumira message saying baba venyu is not going back ku UK. Mudzimai ari kudzokera nevana. They want me to take him in, but my husband took in my siblings and is taking them to school. It's an extra burden kutora murwere. Apa wandisina relationship naye futi. Ndinganzi ndatadza here ndikaramba kuvatora. If yes, what's the best way to go about it? Iyo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Thank you so much for our hot topic, Manu. 326 Express, you can feel free to connect with us. Teens woguti munoitongase 0772 162 651.